We'll guide you through how to create a poll on WhatsApp. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this guide on an iPhone or an Android. We'll explain it for both. Being able to go and create polls is really convenient on WhatsApp. Perhaps trying to go and decide an activity you want to do or an outfit you should wear, and so a poll is a great way of collecting data. Of course, you're probably going to want to do it in a group because it's slightly pointless doing it in a one-to-one conversation, as you're just going to have one other person to go and vote and yourself. So it's most likely you're going to want to do this in a group. So what you want to do is come onto WhatsApp and go and find the group you want to do this in, and you can then go and open it up like so. I'll do it in this one here. Now you want to come to the bottom of WhatsApp, and what you can do is if you're on an iPhone, you need to go and find the plus option. If you're on an Android, you need to go and press the paperclip icon. That's over to the right. On an iPhone, the plus is over to the left. And then you'll go and see some different options here. And what you want to do is go and find the option for poll. You can then tap there. It'll go and open up. Ask a question. You could say, what's your favorite? And then what you can do is you can go and start typing in the options. So tap there. I could go and type in blue. I could then type in yellow. And when I go and type in another one, it adds in another option. So I could type in pink. You can choose if you want to allow multiple answers. I'm not going to, as otherwise people can have multiple votes. I just want one answer. So once you've got that set, then all you need to do is you can go and press send in the top right, and that'll then go and send the poll, as you can see. So then somebody can go and choose what they want to go and vote, and it'll go and be added. And you can then go and press view votes, and you can go and see who voted. We've only had one vote, so the data isn't that interesting, but you go and get the idea. It's that simple. So if you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got a lot more guides of WhatsApp to come, and already a ton on the channel as well. So I look forward to help you again in the future within the how-to guide. We cover literally everything you're going to need.